ducked in. Yes.
It's the advantage now.
But I notice always that the polish of the shoes that are made.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And the paisley shawl and the hats of the ladies. You see the paisley shawl now in a minute. See the paisley shawl. That was the Sunday shawl. You could leave Dublin at 11 in the morning and get Ballybunion by 5 o'clock. You could, yeah. You were way better off than yeah, no. Yeah. You had, you had first class and third class. There were only 2 types. But the old story was that the first class passengers stayed above that road was known as the new line even when I started work. In 1960 I did sometimes refer to the new line. And that was built in 1837, that line, that road from Listowel to Ballybunion. And it was built the road from here to Ballybunion. Each farmer on the right hand side of the road was entitled to go in and out. And he took priority over the train actually.
Oh.
Yeah. And it's supposed to be so well balanced that a child of 8 was able to lift him up and down. The pulley system and counterbalance, you see.